Hello, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to change directories through command prompt and showing you a couple tips and tricks with File Explorer and running your scripts. With that said, make sure to like and subscribe and let's get started. Alright, so first things first, we're going to go to File Explorer and I have a test folder over here in my D drive and I have a simple script over here that we want to run. So first thing you want to do is you want to open command prompt after opening File Explorer, and as you can see on the left here it says C drive users and then the actual user itself. Now this script is, like I said, in my D drive and under a folder, so if I wanted to run it from here I'd actually have to first get to the D drive and then switch to my folder over here. So now how do you do that? Well, first we want to type in D and then colon or the name of your drive. So in this case I have two drives. I have an SSD and I have a hard drive, and the SSD is my C drive over here and my hard drive is the D drive. So you could have different names. It could be E drive, anything drive, honestly. It could be any letter. So to switch you would just type in the name, and in this case, like I said, it was D, so you just type in D and then colon and press enter. So now you can see that it switched to D colon and then a slash. That means we're under our D drive. Now how do we run the script? Now just because we're in our D drive does not mean we're in the specific folder. To run a script you actually have to be in the folder itself. Now a trick here is in your File Explorer you can just click on the taskbar over here and then either copy it and paste it in, and the way you switch directories here is you would type in CD, and what does CD mean? It means change directory, and then you would paste in your location, press enter, and there you go, you're in your test folder. Now another trick, instead of going through these extra two steps, so if we just close our command prompt, is we can click on our taskbar in our File Explorer, and if we click on it, backspace, type in CMD, immediately opens it up in that location on our command prompt. And now if you want to run our script, what we need to do is not just type in test and then enter. It's not a command, it doesn't work like that. This is a Python script and it's just going to be a simple hello world script just for the point of the video. And how would you run a Python script? Through command prompt. So usually we can open with actually I'm just gonna open my PyCharm IDE. You can either run it from your IDE or you can run it from your command prompt. Alright, so if we would press run main, instead right click on the actual script and press run, it will just say hi. It's like a print hello world. It's just a simple print script. You can either run it from your IDE or, like I said, command prompt. Now how would you run it from your command prompt? Well, since this is Python, like I said, you would type in Python and the name of your script, test, and then you would have to put .py because that's the type of file. So if you go to properties over here, it's gonna say .py, and that's why you have to specifically say .py at the end of the script. Press enter and gives you the same response or same output like in PyCharm or whatever IDE you're using, Visual Studio, whatever. So yeah, that's how you change directories and that's how you run scripts. So yeah, this was just a simple video showing you how to change directories, and yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.